welcome to another video. This one will be the last one that I do about drawings. Well, the book that I chose was Drawing Fascinating Animals. Let's begin. Well, the book talk about drawings like the two last one, because this will be the last one about drawings. Well, it has in total 24 drawings, like peacock, monkeys, lizards, etc. The easiest drawing is the GNU penguin with only 4 steps, very easy. And the hardest is the monkey with 12 steps, very hard. Well, this book, like the last ones, it teaches you about how to draw very exotic animals, like we see like penguins, monkeys, lizards, peacocks, and too much more. Well, what's your opinion about this book? Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like. Well, that's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys very soon. Later.